Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so we shall start now. So let's continue with the case study. What we were doing into the case study, and the title of the case study. Uh, Writing the custom SQL queries. Writing the that is custom SQL queries. And stored procedures. In ADF. Okay. So this was the case study we were looking into. So guys, as it is, let's go ahead with this. Source data store. Directly, I'm writing the specifications. Source data store. Is the Azure SQL database. Am I audible, guys? Sync data store. Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm using the Azure SQL database, wherein as it is a database. So guys, here you have to use it here. Database server. To the database server. I'm using the server as DurgaSoft server. And now the next one is database. Here I'm using the source database, source DB. And the table employees. That's it. And here in the second, the specifications are same, but only changes in the table. I'm giving the target as a database. And here I'm using STG as the employees. That's it, guys. So based on this, let us try to go ahead and make it. Okay, everyone. So already I'm just sharing you the screen now. I'm starting the resource group, everyone. Sorry. Database I'm starting up. And whereas I'm creating the database. Now the resource group is not created. So hence we can also create the resource group here. So I'm using custom SQL queries. And SP. Restored procedure RG. That's it. This is my resource group. So this is the way you can also create the resource group here. Okay, guys, everyone. We can also create the resource group here itself, guys. As you know, the next one is database. So I'm using the database name as what? Source DB. And server, I'm defining it here. Durgasoft. Server. Durgasoft server 99, because that's not available. To use the same, that is SQL authentication for this server. I'm defining the credentials here. So guys, I'm using Durga admin. And the password is the same password. Click OK. And now guys, we have to check the pricing tier. So here generally, that is nothing but the SQL, that is nothing but the Azure recommends always the vCore based purchasing model. But here I'm using the purchasing model as a basic, less demanding workload. With a, that is because my size is very less, the data size. So I'm using it. 100 MB is more than enough for me. Now the next is a networking tab. Click on the networking tab and select the public endpoint, everyone, and allow the firewall settings. That's it. Click on the review and again click on the create. That's it, guys. So the first database is being prepared. So meanwhile, I'll start the Azure database, that is data factory session. Guys, have we completed this in the last class? It was pending now. Hello? Hello? Yes, guys, are you there? Hello? Guys, respond, please. Hello? So, guys, I'm creating the data factory.
Yes.
So, instance, I'm using custom SQL queries. That's it. Click on the review. Click on the create. So the database, there is data factory session is being prepared. Meanwhile, I'll refresh the database as well. The data, that is factory. Go to the data. That is a resource. That is a group of, that is open this one and launch the data studio. Everyone. So guys, just a minute. Yes, guys, are you there, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so the database is still preparing. Now the database is ready. Open the database, everyone. So yes, just copy this one that is called as a server, qualified server. It is called as a qualified server. And meanwhile, I'm opening the this database. Okay, guys. So I have just logged in. So now the database source database is ready. So I'm just going ahead with the target creation. And my target is also the database, same database. There is another database with the same server. So I'm using it here. Open this. And now click on this. Everyone. And now click on the guys. The only that is something what we have to create right now, the create database, one more database. And guys, soon we are going to see what is a elastic pool. Okay, what is this elastic pool and what is the new dedicated SQL pool? Dedicated SQL pool is nothing but what? There is the Synapse Analytics, guys. Okay, so let's create on the click on the create database now. Everything is default. Just give the database name here. Target DB. That's it. Click on the configure database and select the pricing tier as a basic less demanding workloads. Apply. Click on the firewall rules and say yes. So click on the review and again click on the create. So one more database will be created here. Fine, everyone. Now, guys, meanwhile, this database will be created fast rather than the previous one it took. Because already the server is defined, so it wouldn't take much time to create the database. So now the database is ready, guys, everyone. So the first database is the source database is ready and the target database, we have to just create it and click on this. And now I'm giving it here. So this is ready, guys. Next one is what is it you have it, guys? The data factory. So now, first of all, start creating the link services. Click on the manage. And now, guys, generally tell me how many link services are required? Everyone?
Two.
Two link services are required. But we can also create one link service. What is the way for that? Tell me now. Yes, guys, we can create only one link service also, which can work for both our databases. What is the way for that? We have to define a parameter at the link service level. We have to define the parameter at the link service level. So anyways, I'm not defining the parameter now. So click on the new link service. And the first link service is for the SQL database, guys, everyone. The SQL database, Azure SQL database, and open this and now give the name here. So use the name as ls underscore SQL DB underscore source. Yes, tell me, guys. Select the subscription, you have it, and the server name. And now the database, you have to define it. So now I'm creating the first database link service that is called as a source DB. And now once it is selected, click on the test connections. Just a minute. Now, guys, it's fine now. Source DB. Everything we have selected. It's not allowing. Just a minute.
You can scroll down. There are some more details. Username, blah blah, something. I mean, down.
So the username is there. So guys, just a minute. So give the username Durga admin. And the password is the same password. You have to use it. That's it, guys. Click on test connections. The link service is ready now. Click on the create. And click the another link service here, guys, for the same SQL database. Use the SQL selected. Provide the name. So this time I'm giving as link service name as SQL underscore SQL, that is ls underscore SQL DB underscore target. Select the subscription, you have it. Select the server name and provide the database name. So this time for the target database, and scroll it down and provide the username. So username is same, Durga admin, and the password. Guys, the Azure Key Vault. You have seen the Azure Key Vault, guys, so far?
Yeah, secret.
Huh?
Or the secrets.
Yes, we have seen this, how to create the secrets.
No, we have.
So soon, the next class, we will see the Azure Key Vaults also. Okay, guys. So click on this, test connections. So when you use the Azure Key Vault, you did not even mention the username here, because some of the clients requires the username also be to kept as a secret. Now, guys, the session is ready now with all the things. So I'm just going to the author. So before going to the author, guys, you have to create the, that is nothing but the source. Go to the source and define the source here. So just a minute. I think we have already the script. So I'm copying this, the script, I'm copying it as it is. Just come back. Now paste it here. The first one is ready. So just click on the create table. So right now I'm just creating the table here. The table is ready with all, how many rows are there? Just go to the message and check 10 rows are there, guys. Okay. So that's it now, guys. It's ready now. The next one, what is it you have to do? We have to create the stored procedure. So I'm creating the stored procedure. Create. Create stored procedures. Without parameters. Okay. So guys, use create procedure. Create a procedure. U underscore employees. So that's it, guys. As we have to begin the body of it. As begin. Tell me now, what's it you have to do? Tell me now. So now I'm using the stored procedure without the parameters. So for that, I'm using select a star from employees. Yeah. Tell me, guys, where salary greater than 25,000. Okay. So this is the stored procedure. We have defined it. So clear. Now again, click on the end. There is type the end here to end the procedure. Run this. So now, guys, as soon as we run this, we got the message. Now, to get the values, you have to execute it. So I'm writing it execution of SP means stored procedure. How to execute the stored procedure, guys? Use exec, or you can use execute. Exec you can use, or else you can use the execute. So use the exec. Yeah. What is the procedure? SP. Is it, what's the procedure you have? Tell me now. U underscore employees. Yes, selected. So just run this. See how many records are there? 8 records are displayed here. Out of the 10, 8 records are displayed here. Okay. Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So now the next one, what we will do now, this time we'll create with a single procedure, that is single parameter, create stored procedure with single parameter. So create procedure. Okay, guys, U underscore EMP. I'm using what said? U underscore EMP. Another one. U underscore EMP. Okay. The next one, what is it? We have it as begin. Begin means what? I'm beginning the body of the procedure, guys. Okay, as begin. Tell me now. As begin. Yes, tell me. Selector. What's that? Star from employees where salary greater than. Now you have to define the parameter now. So for that, use it here at the rate sal. So at the rate sal, there's a procedure that is parameter, and now you wanted to give the that is data type of it decimal, and this decimal is 7,2. That's it. You can give anyways 8,2 also you can give it, that doesn't matter. Okay, that's it now, guys. I'm using it here as it is at the rate sal. You have to use like this to define it. So I'm using it the end, finally the end. And now, guys, just execute the procedure now with a single parameter. Now, guys, so how that is the thing, but to call this procedure, we have to use what's it, guys? Execution of SP. So tell me now, what is the execution of SP? You have it, everyone. What is the procedure for using the execution of SP? Yes.
U underscore EMP.
EXEC. Yeah, tell me now. U underscore. Yes, U underscore. You have to use EMP. Use it as it is. Now give the value here. I can give the value as 35,000. Okay. Now I'm running this, guys, everyone. See, how many records? 6 records. First, we got 10 records. Then we got 8 records for the previous one. Now, I'm tiling it with a single parameter. It's getting only 6 records. Okay, guys? That's it. Now, I'm creating the one more procedure. Create SP with multiple parameters. So how to define it with the multiple parameters, guys? Tell me now. Yes, guys.
Define multiple variables.
Yes. So I wanted to create one more stored procedure. So this time, what I will do is I'm just giving it here. Multiple parameters. So now guys, the name I'm changing it as emp underscore param. That means multiple parameters. So now use what is that? Tell me now. Hmm? Everyone. So use at the rate DNO department number. So what is that data type you want to give it? Yes, guys, int. Am I right, everyone? Use what's it? int. That is nothing but the integer as it is. And now where salary is equal to, or where we can say department number is or department number is equal to what's it at the rate DNO. Am I right? And what's it? Salary is that is something much greater than at the rate sal. Am I right? Is this correct, guys? Hello? Yeah, guys, I'm audible.
Correct.
That's it now. I'm trialing it with the two. Execute this. Run this, guys, everyone. Now, failed it says. Why? Because you have used. Tell me now, what is it? Incorrect syntax, sal. Because you have not defined it, the sal. Comma. Okay, now that's it, guys. Fine now. Now it's created. Now execute this. So for that, executing the same, you have to use it. Execute parameter. Execute the parameter. Now tell me, exec is nothing but execute, or else we can also use the execute here. No problem. Now tell me, execute what's the parameter you want to, that is what is the procedure you want to use it? U underscore, can you see here? Param. Now give the values here. Department number is equal to 20. And then the salary is equal to 40,000. That's it. Now run this, guys. No, incorrect. Huh? Tell me now, what's the problem? Guys, can you tell me?
Comma separation.
Yeah, everyone. Can you tell me? Yes, guys. It says incorrect. Execute U underscore EMP param. Then you have to provide the value now. Which one parameter you have defined it first? I've defined the 10. Okay. Then you have to give what's that?
Sal.
Salary. So I'm giving the salary as what? 30,000 or 35,000. Something like this. Now run this. Still it says 30. This is the thing. So what's that value? Tell me now. I think the comma has to be given. No? Okay, let's try to run this. Comma is not required, but still I'll try with this. Got it now? Yes, comma was the issue. Got it, everyone? Only 2 rows are displayed here. Next one, after this, guys, just copy it. Now I'll change the values. Department number 20 with 45,000. Greater than 45,000. Department number 20. Trial it. You got 2 values. And now, guys, I'll trial it with it. Another one. Department number 30. Trial it above 55,000. See here. 2 records are there. Am I right? But guys, department number 40 is there or not? I think 40 is not there. So let us see here. If not there, no problem. No, it will not display. No, no record because there is no department number 40, I think. So now guys, what I will do is I will try with the 50 department number. Now see here. If I'm trialing the 50, it will display. Nothing is there. So till here you have the data. After that, you don't have the data. Okay, guys, everyone. Okay. Now, that's it, guys. So now in the same way, I wanted to duplicate the records. So guys, tell me now. So for duplication of the records, I'm just copying some records here. And now I'm just executing here itself. So for duplicating of the records, ultimately, I'm re-entering the same rows. Run this, guys. Now it's the fine. 5 more. So now use it here. So previously we have 10 records. After execution of this, you will get how many records here? 14, 15 records. You got it. Now I wanted to eliminate the duplicate. So how to use the duplication elimination, guys? Tell me now. Select all of you. Select what is it? Tell me now. Hello. Select what's a distinct. Tell us what's a distinct. Distinct. Select what's a distinct. Am I right, everyone? Hello.
Yes.
EMPNO. Comma. Name. Comma. Salary. Comma. Department number, comma, or from table name. The table name is employees. That's it, guys. Select it here now. Now all the duplicate records are eliminated. See here, only 10 records are given against the 15 records available in the database table. Okay. Now, guys, let us use the same here. Now, this is the thing we have done it here into this. We have done into this. What is that? The SQL database session. Now, how to apply it into the same using what is that? That is nothing but in the Azure. So already the link services are ready. So guys, let us go and create the data sets now. Click on the new data set. And now the first data set I wanted to design it for what? SQL. Select the SQL database and now give it here the name of the data set ds underscore SQL db underscore source. Yes, guys, everyone. Select it, the link service, you have it. And now, guys, don't select any table, or else if you want, you can select the table also. No problem. We have only one table now. Click OK. Now, guys, this is fine now. Fine, everyone. Yeah, guys. And now, again, I wanted to create a new data set. And for this, I'm using the SQL. So use it here. Fine. Give the name of the data set here. ds underscore SQL db underscore target. Selected the same link service. Guys, the table is available in the sync system or not? Please. This is my sync system. My sync system doesn't. No table, guys. See, no table is there. So when you don't have a table, so you have to provide the table name. So use DBO. I wanted to give the name as STG underscore employees. That's it, guys. Click on the OK. None. Click on the none because you don't have a database table already available. So click on the none. It won't import the schema in such a case. So click on OK. Now this is ready, guys. Fine, everyone. And now just go to the pipeline and start creating the pipeline. Now use it here, PL underscore SQL DB underscore. So I'm using what's it? Distinct. Or we'll say custom SQL query. That's it, guys. So select the drag and drop from the activities pen and select the copy activity. So now I'm using the copy activity. Now select the source, guys. Select the source data set and select the sync and select the sync data set. That's it, guys. This is fine now. Now tell me, the customer is, do you have any table in the target? No, we don't have any table. So we can go with the auto create table, anyways, leave it as it is. But on the source, do you have all the tables created in the source itself? So from the use query option, we can click on the query and we can query the same, which one, whatever the query you have implemented, that is a distinct one, you can give it as it is, guys. So use it here, the select this one command and now come back and now paste it here as it is. So now, guys, the distinct is there. Semicolon is not essential. You want to see whether your query is working or not. So click on the preview data. Before running itself, it will give you for only 10 records. That means this query is working fine now. So now just debug it. Fine, guys, everyone. Succeeded. Now, guys, the next one is, now this is fine, everyone. Just go to this target system and now select star from STG, guys, STG underscore employees. Run this. Tell me now, what is the problem? Why it's not giving? All of you?
Invalid.
There is no table, right? That
Yeah,
Huh?
stage is total capital.
Please. Huh?
we haven't created any table here, right?
No, we have created already. STG underscore employees. I'll run this. Might be what is the problem? Object does not consist or available. So go here and now check the name here. So the succeeded, no? Succeeded means it should create it. So what is the table name? Just check here. The target STG underscore employees.
Yeah, right.
What's the problem? Target. Just go here. What is the problem, guys? Nothing. I think so. STG underscore employees. We have done a blunder, guys. In the source database only we have created it. So now let's change it to the target now. Okay. Let's create it up because already it is created in target itself. Anyways, no problem. That doesn't matter anyways. Okay. So let's click on this, change it. Select the sync one, target now. Okay, guys. Now rerun the process. See here. STG underscore employees is created in the source itself because we have not selected we have selected the wrong link service, guys. Now succeeded. Go to this. Source is here. So I'm having the target here. Now rerun this process now. Now you will get it. Guys, everyone is okay? Yeah, 10 rows are created. Now, guys, the next one is, now let us see how to execute this customized SQL, that is procedures you have already created. I'm creating for that a new pipeline. I'm creating it, guys. A new pipeline. I'm creating it. Now I'm using the PL underscore SP, that is stored procedure. That's it. And drag and drop the copy activity. See here. That's it, guys. Now select the source. Make it carefully. Select the source and select the sink. Sink is what? You have to select the sink as a SQL target. Now, guys, just go here. Now tell me where the stored procedure is created, in the source or in the target? All of you.
Source.
Source. So just select the source now. And from the use query option, select the stored procedures. Everyone, select the stored procedure. Now, guys, the stored procedure already has, guys, already has, this stored procedure already has the parameters. So for that, click on what? Parameters are there. Select the stored procedure. I want the, guys, u underscore emp underscore param. So click on the parameters, import parameters. Now, guys, these are the parameters. You have it. Now here you can give the value. What is the value? You can give it as 10 and you can give it as 35,000. I can hard code it like this, but at this point of time, I don't want to hard code it. Hence, what I'm doing it, guys. Hence, what I'm doing it is, I will try to execute the same. I will try to execute the same by assigning the, by assigning what? By assigning the pipeline parameter. So for that, click on this. Click on the canvas of the pipeline. This is called as a canvas. White space is called as the canvas of the pipeline. Click on the new parameters. Click on the new parameters. Now give the parameter name. PL underscore DNO. And now select it here. DNO means what? Integer, na? And give the, leave the values here as it is. So then again use PL underscore. Tell me now. Sal. So now select the sal. Float. You have to select the float because the decimal is not available. You can select the float here. Okay. If decimal is there, then it's fine. You can select the decimal, but you don't have a decimal. See here. Float is there, boolean is there, array, object, everything is there, but there is no decimal. So hence you can select the float. That should, guys, come back now. Debug now. Now it is asking for the value. So I'm giving department number as a 20 and the salary as 45,000 like this. Click on OK. Now it will run, guys. Same data sets I'm using it, guys. Failed. Why? Because already the table is available. That's the problem. Why it is failing here? See, the failing issue is that already the table is available. So now, guys, just go here. I'll create one more table here with the same name. It's there now. I'll create one more table for the target. Everyone, just put the control, click on another table, and now use it SQL, guys. Everyone, and now use it here. DS underscore SQL DB underscore sync. I want it, guys. Select the same target and now write the table name you wanted. So I want DBU. That is the default schema. And now I want what's a T underscore employees. Click on none. Click on OK. That's it, guys. Fine now. So go to the pipeline and now select it here. select the source. Source is fine, everything is fine. Click on the sync. Instead of this database table, I'm using the sync table. And finally, click on the auto create table. Am I right, everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now just run this now. Now it will ask you for the value. So department number is 10, 35,000 is the value. Click on OK. So another table, I'm creating it. Still failing. Why is the problem? Just a minute, guys. What is the problem? Just a minute. Error code source. I mean, the value of the property is invalid. Stored procedure parameter. Error parameter stored procedure transfer. The value of the property is invalid for the stored procedure parameters. Okay. Now select it here. Click on the mapping tab. Click on import schemas. Let us see first. The schema is not able to get it here. No. DS source. Fine. Is this working? See here. You're not getting the data. We have not assigned it now. We have created the parameters, we have not assigned it. Am I right? That was the error. So put the control here, all of you. Click on add dynamic contents. And now select the department number. Click OK. And put the control, add dynamic contents, salary, clear. Salary, click on OK. Now, guys, you got it. This was the error, nothing else. So now select it here. The sync system is ready. Now run this, debug it. Now it will ask you for the value. So let's give the value here as 10 and 55,000 is the salary I'm giving it. Greater than 55,000. Click on OK. Now run this. Now it will come. Succeeded, guys. Go to the target. Select it as it is. And now just to do one thing now. Instead of this, let's give T underscore employees. Now run this, guys. You will get only 2 records. I think so. Yeah, see here. There are 2 duplicate records. So how to eliminate the duplicates? Again, you have to use a distinct also. Am I right? Fine, everyone?
Yes.
Hello.
Can I double?
Yes.
That's it, guys. Okay, everyone. So that's it. So this is how we can go ahead, guys. Okay. So this is the way we can write it. So guys, the next one, what we have to do this tomorrow is, okay. We'll start with the guys, tomorrow we'll start with the bulk copy. Okay, everyone, bulk copy of tables. So have you seen this bulk copy of tables?
No.
So we'll see the bulk copy of tables. Just remember this topic, bulk copy of tables. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see that, guys. That's it.
Are we done with the pipeline audit table in last session?
How we have done it?
Okay.
Completed.
Okay.
You've done completed already. The video is also, I think, uploaded. Just check. If not there, let me know.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. I'm stopping the class here.
Can we start with SQL first? So this will be easy.
tomorrow.
SQL means you mean to say the basic SQL commands?
Yeah. If that will be there, this we can get it. Soon.
Okay, tomorrow we will start with the SQL only. Okay.
So this commands and that all will be getting in mind.
Okay, tomorrow I'll brief you the SQL commands. Okay, guys.
Yeah, take 2 days at least, no issue, because these commands we are getting confused and we are blocking in our minds.
No problem. Tomorrow we'll see the SQL commands. Okay. On Monday we'll see the bulk copy. No problem.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.